Hello and welcome to Vowel Sounds in English. There are 20 vowel sounds in English: monophthongs and diphthongs. Monophthongs, they have single vowel sounds and they are 12 in numbers. Diphthongs, they have double vowel sounds and they are 8 in numbers. Monophthongs are further divided into two parts: short single vowels, they are 7 in numbers; long single vowels, they are 5 in numbers. Short single vowels, they are 7 in numbers. We have E, A, U, A. Like E, shorty, with, this, if, think, big, six, miss, lift. A, short single vowels, and we have this sound in words like get, when, well, very, bed, leg, hell. Then we have the sound short single vowel sounds: a, have, that, can, sad, bag, pan, man. Then we have the sound a, but, up, cut, much, duck, rush. Then we have sound like o, put, would, look, food, took, good. Then we have this sound like of, on, dog, pot, frog, not. Then we have the sound a, they, about, s, system. Now we have long single vowels, they are 5 in numbers. E, see the difference between short E and a bit longer E, as in such words: me, these, need, keep, deep, sheep, jeep, eat, feel, see, meet, read, beat, peak, feet, seat. Then we have sound like a, as in these words: start, ask, large, after, park, hard, half. Then we have the sound or, also, call, all, mall, fall, tall, ball. Then we have the sound work, learn, word, burn, turn, firm, bird, card, short. Then we have oo sound, like in these words: to, you, who, group, boot, move. We move on to the next. Short single vowels, the one which we have just talked about. In some more examples, there are 7 in numbers. Number 1, e, as in these words: with, this, if, think, link, wink, sink. A, as in such words like get, when, well, very, bed, leg, hell. So we have these two sounds. Move on to the next. Another two sounds, short single vowels: a, have, that, can, sad, bag, pan, man. Then we have a sound, like in such words: but, up, cut, much, duck, rush. Then we move on to the another two sounds, short single vowels, like o, put, would, look, food, took, good. Then we have o sound, like in such words: of, on, dog, pot, frog, not, nod. Next we move on to the next, that is the last 7th sound: a, the, about, S system. Then we move on to the next long single vowels. They are 5 in numbers, like the one we just discussed: e, me, these, need, keep, deep, sheep, jeep, eat, feel, see, meet, read. Then we move on to the next a, as in such words: start, ask, large, after, park, hard, half. Then we move on to the next. We have this sound o, or, also, call, all, mall, fall, tall, ball. Then we move on to the next. Then we have the sound o, as in such words: work, learn, word, burn, turn, firm, bird, curd, short. Move on to the next. Oo, as in such words: to, you, who, group, boot, move. And that's all we have. Thank you and goodbye.